Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to visualize and analyze data with Sisense, a Sisense dashboard tutorial for beginners. Before creating dashboard, familiarize yourself with these key components. Elastic Cube's data models, the back-end data engine where your data is modeled and optimized. The dashboard, the interface for data visualization and analysis. Widgets, individual charts, tables, or visualization within a dashboard. Filters, used to refine and customize data views. Now to prepare your data, connect to data sources. Open the Sisense web application, go to data, and then go to manage data. Add a data source. Now build the Elastic Cube. Use the Sisense Elastic Cube Manager to design relationships between datasets. Transform or clean the data using formulas and joins. Now, create a new dashboard. Navigate to the Dashboards tab in Sisense. Click plus New Dashboard and give it a name. Add data models to the dashboard by selecting a connected Elastic Cube. Now, add widgets to visualize data. Click on Add Widget. Choose the type of widget you need. Configure your widget. Select the desired fields from the data model. Use drag and drop to assign fields to x-axis, y-axis, or other relevant parameters. Customize widget properties like colors, labels, and data aggregation. Save the widget once you're satisfied. Now use filters for custom views. Add filters that apply to the entire dashboard. Drag fields into the filter section and choose conditions. Widget-specific filters. Configure filters for individual widget. Use them to isolate specific subsets of data. Now customize the data dashboard layout. Arrange widget by dragging and resizing them. Use the edit mode to align, group, or layer widgets for better organization. Add titles or description to provide context to the visuals. Now analyze your data. Hover over charts to see details. Drill down into specific data points by clicking on them, if it's enabled. Export data. Export entire dashboards or individual widgets as PDF, Excel, or images files. Now to share the dashboard, share via links, email, or embedding it into web pages. Lastly, here are some advanced tips. Use Sisense blocks. Design custom interactive visualization using the Sisense blocks feature. Leverage formulas. Use advanced formulas to create calculated fields or KPIs. Lastly, scheduled reports. Automate the delivery of dashboard reports to stakeholders on a schedule. And that's basically it.